Here comes my capstone project.
Hello user. This is John. This is Hazel. This is Abby. This is Danny. This is Ruby. They all have participated in artificial intelligence competition. Now, they will be showing their projects one by one. Let's begin by watching John's project.
I have made a machine learning based project. In this project, the retro robot will help in identifying whether a person is COVID positive or not. It will do so by looking at lung x-rays only, and thus avoiding human interaction at hospitals. This was my COVID detector. Stay safe.
Wonderful. Next is Hazel's turn.
My project is based on speech recognition. Basically, it will dial the helpline number and save people in cases of emergency. Try it yourself by using keywords help, emergency.
Calling 100.
I hope this project of mine on implementation in real life will help many people.
Good job. Who is next? It's you, Abby. Abby, has prepared a game. Beetle in a maze. You can give direction to Beetle using arrow keys. Take a look at the rules of this game. Let's play. This was my game. Hope you enjoyed. I really enjoyed this game. Danny, now it's your turn. I have trained a machine learning model, which beeps and alerts people on recognizing polluted area. It also applauds and encourages citizens to keep places clean. Now, I will present my project. This model gives us the message to keep our surroundings clean and green. Good job, Denny. Last but not the least, is Ruby's turn. I have prepared a celebrity detection quiz. In this quiz, your score starts from 0 and health from 3. Every correct answer gives you 1 score. Every incorrect answer decreases your health by 1. The game ends on score equals 3 or health equals 0. Correct answer. Incorrect answer. Correct answer. correct answer. This was all about the quiz. Hope it amused you. I appreciate your efforts, Ruby. The results of this competition will be declared in a week. Thank you. Bye bye.
Now, let's take a look at the script for this project. I have prepared my capstone project in the form of a story in which a competition of artificial intelligence is organized, and John, Hazel, Abby, Dani, and Ruby prepared different projects on the concepts of AI. Firstly, I will discuss some common blocks used in this project. They are go to X and Y position, glide 1 seconds to X and Y position, then say and speak blocks are used to make the project more appealing. Many messages have been broadcasted in this project. Wait blocks are also used in this project. Then the blocks of set size to are also used to adjust the size of the sprite according to the need. The blocks of switch backdrop to are also used in this project to change the backdrop according to whenever we need it. Another commonly used blocks are show and hide, which make the character reappear or disappear respectively. Then the blocks of set voice to are used to change the voice. Toby, John, Hazel, Abby, Dani, and Ruby. Their scripts are basically based on all these blocks only, so I will just be showing them one by one. This is Toby's script. Now come John's turn. Next is Hazel. Now come Abby's turn. Next is Dani. Now is Ruby. Now I'll explain the script for Retro Robot. These blocks help to make the retro robot face in the other direction. Now this is the main script for the retro robot, which is based on the machine learning model. So I have trained a model with 4 classes: normal, COVID, and then polluted and non-polluted. Both the normal and COVID are used in this project, whereas the other two are used in the later stage. The backdrop is switched to one of the image which contains the lung X-ray. If it identifies the lung X-ray to be normal, then it says that you are not infected, whereas if it recognizes that the lung X-ray of a COVID person is there, it advises one to see a doctor at the earliest. Then the next backdrop comes, and this process is repeated until the backdrop name is equal to light 2. Now I'll be showing the script for Warn. The Warn recognizes our speech for 5 seconds in the English language emergency, then it says calling 100 and plays the sound of alert. To make sure it is used for emergency only, the warn recognizing other words, it simply says that not to use before fun. Now next is the Beatles script. I have written the code for Beetle in a maze game here. I have created a variable called moves and initially set it to 3. Now we can control the beetle using the arrow keys present on the keyboard. If the beetle touches the apple, that is this red color, then the backdrop of win appears and the game is stopped. If beetle touches the black line, then it has to go to the initial position and the game is restarted, but the move is decreased by -1. So the game also ends when the moves are equal to 0 and the backdrop of losing the game appears. Next sprite is star. Initially the star is hidden, but when it is shown, it changes its color constantly because of these blocks. It just makes it look more beautiful. It is also based on the machine learning and deals with the other two classes, that is of polluted and non-polluted. So the backdrop is switched to one of the place which is polluted, or it can be non-polluted. If it recognizes that the image is polluted, then it beeps and says that this place needs to be clean at the earliest. If the place is clean, that is not polluted, then it starts clapping and says, wow, this place is so clean. This script is almost same as the retro robots script. Now the last sprite is button. The code of celebrity detection quiz is written here. So there are 3 variables: celebrity, health and score, which appear when they are needed. The score is initially set to 0 and health is set to 3. The score increases by 1 with every correct answer and health decreases by 1 with every incorrect answer. Firstly, the backdrop is switched to Scarlett's image. The system recognizes that image from backdrop using the block recognize image features in image from backdrop, which is present in the artificial intelligence extension. And then it asks the user to enter the name of the celebrity. The variable I have created is set to the answer given by the user, and if this answer, that is the celebrity, is equal to the recognized celebrity, then it says that the answer is correct and score is increased by 1. For incorrect answer, the health is decreased by -1. If the score becomes 3, the user wins this game, and if the health becomes 0, then one loses the game and this quiz is ended. So this was all about the scripts of the sprites used in this project. The concepts used in this project are as follows: machine learning, speech recognition, beetle in a maze, that is a game, and celebrity detection. The extensions used in this project are text to speech, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Thank you and have a wonderful day.